Well, there seems to be no stopping for TVS Motors even after almost an 80% jump in this particular stock in the past 10 months. Brokerages continue to trust the momentum and best is yet to come. And these are the words coming from brokerage firm UBS, where they maintain their buy rating on this particular counter and have raised the target price from 1100 rupees earlier to 1385 rupees now, and that's almost 24% jump even from the current market price. Now, if we see what are the factors that they are highlighting, is that they say that the company is racing ahead in the EVs to the segment leadership, and going forward more launches are planned up for TVS Motors, because right now what we see is that iQube of the company is very successful, but going forward 5 new launches in particularly the EV segment are expected, especially in the next 12 to 15 months, and they will be across the segments, which will benefit the overall volume of the company. Although EV business is a bit of a loss making for the company, but their ICE volumes are also expected to catch up, and that will support the overall financials of the company. But when it comes to the developments in the EV space, so they feel that these new launches planned in the EV segment will act as a precursor for the monetization of their EV arm in the near term. And not just that, they expect that the consensus estimate will also see a meaningful upward revision going forward. What you say is that TVS Motors is doing very well in the EV segment, but the journey started back in FY10 when the company mentioned the development of electrified scooters and three-wheeler prototypes in their annual report. So it's been a long journey for TVS Motors, and going forward they expect the EV volumes to catch up, and not just that, the margins are also expected to see a jump, and UBS expects that this will drive their FY24 and FY25 EBITDA higher by 5 to 7%, while they broadly have unchanged their FY23 target. So that was UBS on TVS Motors, and they expect more upward revisions kicking in, and that's why you see a stock holding up a gain of 3.5% in today's trading session after this positive report.